corn and they brew some tea.
Some tea.
Mouse sips, wee slurps, Bear
burps, big burps. But the bear snores on.
What happens next? Don't peek. What happens next, do you think?
Bear's big bear burps, big burps.
What's going to happen next? Who's going to come see Bear?
But the bear snores on.
Good. And next, read book, or I'm turning it off. A badger scuttles
by.
Sniff snuffs at the
air.
I smell yummy
yums.
Perhaps
we can share. I brought honey nuts. Badger said with a grin. Let's digging them up. Coast down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chop, crunch. But the bear snores on.
Is he hibernating?
Yes.
He is hibernating.
Yeah.
Will they wake him up?
Yes.
What's next?
What's next?
I think a gopher animal tunnel up through the floor.
Then a wind and freezing fire in through the door.
Good. And then Mole mutters,
What a night!
What a night!
What a storm! Twitters with
Wren and
everybody clatters in the great bear's den.
What's gonna happen next?
Yeah.
What do you think?
What do you think?
I think Bear will wake up. What do you think?
The bear was really sleepy.
You think he's still gonna sleep? Okay, let's see. They tweet and they twitter. They chat and they chitter. But
the bear snores on.
In a
cave in the woods, a slumbering.
Slumbering, that means to sleep. Slumbering bear
sleeps through the party in his very own lair.
What's a lair? Is that a cave?
Lair.
That's a lair. That's also a cave.
Yeah.
A lair is a cave.
In his very own lair.
Yeah. Hare stokes the fire.
Mouse seasons sail.
Seasons the stew. Then a small
pepper flat makes the bear do what? Rot too.
He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd
freezes.
Then what happens?
And the bear wakes up.
Is he happy?
No, he's mad.
Oh.
Bear snarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he rumbles.
Are his friends afraid?
Yes.
What's gonna happen next?
You snug in my bed. And you will have fun.
Oh, have
For
fun.
me, I was sleeping.
Turn and look.
And I have not.
I've had none. Now how does he feel?
Sad.
Oh. Bear whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans.
And the bear blubbers on.
What does that mean, to blubber on?
Blubbers.
Means to what?
Blubbers.
Yeah, it means to cry.
Now squeaks. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can do more tea.
Yeah.
Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. When
He spins
tall tails through the
blustery
night. When the sun keeps up on the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on.
Who is awake?
Bear.
And who is sleeping?
Friends snore on.
Say the end.
The end.